Locksmiths don't want you to know this secret. If at some point the door lock is failing or doesn't work properly, and you don't have a locksmith or enough money to solve the problem, don't worry, because today I will show you an emergency alternative for those days when you need to close the door and the lock fails. It's an easy trick, fast, cheap, and you can do it yourself using just a fork. It sounds weird, but believe me, it will help you. The first thing you have to do is place the fork in this way right on the edge of a surface that is flat and hard. In my case, I will put it on the edge of the kitchen table. Now I'm going to take a clamp or a saw and I'll bend the fork right in this part until it breaks. Now I'll take this side of the fork and I'll put it in the hole that holds the lock in this way. Next, I'll use a marker pen and I'll make a line right on the fork's spikes. Next, I'll use a marker pen and I'll make a line right on the fork's spikes. Next, I'll take the clamp again, and this time I'll use it to bend the spikes right where we had marked. Take advantage and let me know from which country you see me to send you a greeting in Spanish. Take advantage and let me know from which country you see me to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Angel Miguel Ramirez from Mexico. Once the fork is bent, we go to the lock of the house that has been failing and we place it in this way just as I show you. Now we just close the door and we place the other part of the fork inside the spikes to hold the door. After doing this, you will notice that the lock will be reinforced enough and it will be well sealed. Now you can go to your bedroom without fear that someone will open the door and take your belongings. Removing the lock from this homemade lock is quite easy. You just have to remove this part of the door and then turn the lock as usual. From today, if you have a defective lock at home, you will know what to do. If you got this far, leave me the phrase, "I'll do it at home," so I'll know you watched the whole video.